welcome back. It's week 8 of the fiber gifts. You can probably tell by the numbers everywhere. Anyway, let's get into the fun bit. I have no preamble. We're just gonna look at the fun stuff. So this is the Shacked Zoom Loom. Hang on, I got a fancy little box as well. So this is what it looks like when it's not being used, and this is what it looks like when it is being used. This is a pin loom. So basically you've got your 3 layers of warp on there, and then you weave it all together with your last 4th layer to make basically a bunch of little tiny squares. And you can take those little tiny squares and put them all together and make them into whatever you want. It's like granny square chic. But we have actually, in addition to the Zoom Loom itself, we're going to throw in, just for funsies, a cute little pattern, which is this little star-shaped guy. Can be used as a trivet, which is what it was made for. Or you can take them and make 2 of them and stuff them and make a little star for your tree if you want to do that. That was the first thing that came to my mind when I saw this. So this is going to be a pattern included with your Zoom Loom, and that's just for fun. That's not part of the thing. We just thought it would be nice. And the guys over at Shacked designed this for us. Shout out to Ben. So then you can pick whatever colors and yarn types that you want, and you can make whatever you want with this. So that is going to be 15% off on our Zoom Loom. Let me get it up again. 15% off starting on December the 6th. So check that out.